Yo, what up guys, Carl here from Crazy Controllers, and today we're going to be showing you how to take apart your Xbox 360 controller. What you will need is a Torx T8 security screwdriver. Mine was picked up from eBay and delivered the next day. Right. First of all, what you're going to want to do is locate each screw, which are here, 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 and there is one hid beneath the battery pack, which will be covered up by a sticker. I will fast forward this bit because it's just going to be me taking apart the screws. Right, talking. I'll come back on.
Oh my goodness.
Right,
I'm going to get a drink.
come on Matt, please, right.
Get a drink, man.
Right, now the controller is complete. As you can see, all the screws have been taken out. Now what you want to do is gently pull it so everything doesn't go flying and the controller will come apart. Like so. Now, this is the bit with all your buttons in. Take these off here, all your buttons are in there. Take this off here. There is your D-pad. This bit is the main part of your Xbox 360 controller. This is all your motherboard where your thumbsticks go and your rumble packs. Now, once you've taken it apart, you can do with it what you please, like, I don't know, change your buttons, anything you want. Now, putting it back together is quite a tricky part. So, always make sure this rubber case goes back on the controller. Like that, it just fits on next to the buttons. And make sure the RB and LB button are on. Okay. Now, and if you want to take the motherboard off, all you gotta do is, all I do is take this off, take the mic plate off, there, and just push up, and it will come off with the rumble packs attached. And then if you want to put them back in, there's like these little slots where the rumble packs go. Right, so if you want to put it back together, line the rumble packs up, put them back on, like so. Make sure the triggers go back under, and there you go. The motherboard is back on, obviously, with the rumble packs dangling. Just position them back in. And place the mic plate back on. Like so. And then the easiest way I find to do it is to put the thumbsticks back through the holes. The rumble pack will probably come off. So what I do is I lift it up here, and the rumble packs again have to go into two slots. So I just put them back like that in the slots. Make sure the position's right. And then all you got to do is clip your controller back in. It'll make a few clicking noises, and then your controller is back where it was, and obviously you need to put all your screws in again back here. Thanks for watching guys, it's been a Crazy Controllers video. Please remember to rate, comment and subscribe. Peace.